In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Mailchimp segments, one of the most powerful ways to find and target specific groups of people within your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a segment based on specific criteria like phone numbers, and you'll be able to send more focused and effective email campaigns. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on Audience in the left-hand menu. Your audience is basically your main contact list. It includes all your subscribers, customers, and leads. Once you're inside your audience, look for the Segments option. This is where you can create filtered groups of contacts based on specific conditions. Now, click on Create Segment. Think of a segment as a smart filter. Instead of sending emails to everyone, you're narrowing down your audience to only the people who match certain criteria. Now let's create a simple example. Click on Add Filter. A drop-down menu will appear with different options. From here, choose Phone Number. Next, you'll see another drop-down with conditions. Select Starts With. This is useful if you want to target a specific region or group based on phone number patterns. Now, in the value field, type something like 51. What you're doing here is telling Mailchimp, show me all contacts whose phone numbers begin with 51. This is especially useful if you're targeting a specific location or segment of your audience. Once you've entered your condition, click on Review Segment. Mailchimp will now show you a preview of all the contacts that match your filter. Take a moment to review this list and make sure it looks correct. If everything looks good, click on Use Segment. Now you'll be asked to name your segment. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Phone Starts with 51. This helps you easily identify it later. After naming it, click Save and Exit. Now your segment is created. To access it anytime, go back to your Audience tab, open the Segments drop-down, and select your saved segment. Mailchimp will instantly display all matching contacts. You can now use this segment whenever you send a campaign, making your emails more targeted and effective. This approach not only saves time, but also improves engagement since your message is more relevant to the people receiving it. And that's it. You've successfully created and used a segment in Mailchimp. Now, let's quickly summarize the steps. First, log into Mailchimp and go to your audience. Next, click on Segments and select Create Segment. Then add a filter and choose your condition like phone number starts with a specific value. After that, review the segment to make sure it's correct. Then click Use Segment, give it a clear name, and save it. Finally, access your segment anytime from the Audience tab and use it in your campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.